Hi everyone, welcome to Mani's Fashions. Today I'm back with very beautiful collections. Pochampalli printed silk sarees in 5 different colors. So these collections are perfect for this summer occasions and very budget friendly sarees and comfortable for long wear purpose and very lovely colors with contrast pallus and borders. Chalo, let's see the sarees in detail. I'm starting with this very beautiful color combination with parrot green and pink color. Very lightweight and soft in texture. Perfect sarees for any occasion. Wow, just look at this. Very lovely shade. Very exclusive, vibrant shade. And let's see the saree in detail. Throughout the saree comes with zari buttas and print. And comes with satin border. Small satin border. And it gives you very glossy finish texture for the border. And here we go, the pallu. Contrast pallu with rich zari woven pattern. Wow, very classy and very lightweight sari, perfect for any occasion, for a day functions or night functions, and for gifting purpose this will be perfect. Pricing at just 3000 rupees. Loving this color, very pretty color combination. And here we go, the blouse, contrast plain blouse with the satin border. Perfect color combination, very lovely vibrant color. And this color combination will be perfect for women who love vibrant colors. Pricing at just 3000 rupees only. You can see the saree code and the price on the screen, and you will be getting 5% prepaid discount from the website order, and share to your friend who loves this color combination. Let's see another lovely color combination. This is my favorite color combination. This is very unique color. Just look at this gray shade with the pink contrast pallu. What a color combination, very unique, and I'm just loving this saree. If I have any functions, no, I'll take this saree, and so don't miss this saree if you love it. And the saree is having very lovely print. Just look at this. In live this saree is so pretty. I don't know how it is looking on the screen. And let's see the saree in detail. Just look at this color, how pretty it is. Very unique color, gray shade. And throughout the saree comes with zari buttas and with very lovely pattern. And it comes with satin border, small satin border, very classy border. And it have contrast pink pallu. And the pattern, the zari weaving pattern is very exclusive, rich pattern. And very lightweight and very comfortable saree. For long wear purpose this will be perfect saree. Women who love very unique color combination, this will be perfect saree for wedding wear, for party wear, for gifting purpose. And if you have any professional gatherings, this saree will be perfect. It gives you very classy look. And coming to the blouse, this will be the blouse, contrast plain blouse with the zari satin border. Very lovely color combination. Don't miss this saree color combination, very pretty, trust me. Pricing at just 3000 rupees only. You can see the saree code and the price on the screen. You can book through website, it will be 5% prepaid discount. Stay till end, we have very lovely 3 more colors. And coming to this shade, very pretty traditional color combination with mehendi green and pink. Let's see this beautiful saree, very lightweight and very comfortable. This gives you very soft and smooth draping, and you can drape this saree very fast. And just look at this, such a pretty color combination. Wow, I'm in love with this color. Each color is so pretty. So which color is your favorite? Comment me. How is the color? Is it good on me? And this color is perfect for any skin tone. And coming to the saree detailing, it comes with zari buttas and with very lovely pattern throughout the saree. And it comes with satin zari border, plain border. And here we go, the pallu, contrast pallu, very exclusive zari weaving pattern. Looks very elegant and very lightweight saree, perfect for day functions. Why? Because this color elevates more brighter. Pair simple minimal traditional jewelry and bangles and some flowers, so you look very traditional and very classy. And let's see the blouse for this saree. Contrast pink plain blouse with the border. Such a pretty color combination. This will be perfect traditional look at any occasion, and for gifting purpose this will be perfect saree. Pricing at just 3000 rupees only. You can see the saree code and the price on the screen, and you will be getting 5% prepaid discount on the website. And let's see another very lovely vibrant shade color combination. This is also very unique color combination with the blue and with the pink. Super lightweight saree, and this color combination is perfect for any occasion, and this will give you very unique look. Let's see this beautiful saree in detail, and this is most one of my favorite color in this collection. And if you want to try very unique color combination, this will be perfect. And coming to the saree detailing, it have zari bootas and very lovely pattern on the saree, and the border is also very beautiful with the contrast color combination, satin zari border, and you can see the glossy texture on the border. And here comes the pallu, and again with contrast pink color pallu. It have very exclusive zari weaving pattern. It gives you more grand look for the saree. It have more unique color combination, blue, and the border is gray contrast, and the pallu is pink. So this three color combination looks more unique, and pair a minimal jewelry and you will look more elegant in the occasion. This gives you very different look. Throughout the saree comes with very beautiful pattern. And coming to the blouse, contrast pink plain blouse with the border, such a pretty color combination, and these are perfect sarees for any occasion, for professional meetings and for gifting purpose and for festival wear. Very lightweight saree and very budget friendly, pricing at just 3000 rupees only. And you can see the saree code and the price on the screen, and it will be easy for you to shop on the website, and 5% prepaid discount on the order in website. And how is the look? And this, I am just loving this saree, and trust me, you will also love this color. In live, this color is looking more pretty. And if you want to gift saree for your mother, this collection will be perfect and she will love this saree. And coming to another lovely vibrant shade color combination with this green shade, lemon yellow greenish shade, and with this color, this is Rama green color. And this Pochampalli sarees are perfect for any age group. Why? Because no, this prints and the lightweight of the saree and the color combination is perfect for any age group. Super lightweight saree, just you can wear this saree so fast. You can drape it if you have any functions, gatherings, and you have no time, you can drape this saree as soon as possible. And coming to the saree detailing, very vibrant shade color combination, lemonish green shade. And coming to the saree part, throughout the saree comes with zari bootas, and look at the pattern print on the saree. It's very traditional and comes with satin border, plain satin border, and the border is having glossy finish texture, and it is shining. So in the daytime this saree will be so bright. And coming to the pallu, contrast Rama green shade with the exclusive zari weaving concept. This adds a more grand look for this saree. Perfect saree for daytime and nighttime. If you want that instant glow at a function, this saree will give you, trust to me. Why? Because this color combination, and if you pair minimal gold jewelry, it will be more elevated look. And very budget friendly saree, pricing at just 3000 rupees only, and you will be getting 5% discount on the website. This is the overall saree, very pretty color combination. And this comes the blouse, contrast plain blouse with the border, very unique color combination. This also, if you want to try this saree, this will be perfect for your any occasion. How is the saree look? Very pretty color combination. Trust me, this color will be perfect on any skin tone, and this will be perfect for upcoming summer season also. Why? Because this is very lightweight and gives you very smooth draping and comfortable for long wear purpose. This is pricing at just 3000 rupees only. You can see the saree code and the price on the screen. You will be getting 5% discount on the website, so it will be easy for you to shop on website. I am keeping the code. You can type the code and it will be easy. You can place the order. And this is the saree look, how it is, so pretty, right? So in this video we have seen very beautiful lovely Pochampalli sarees in very budget friendly, and if you want the links and color availability, I will give the full details in the description. Please check that. In next upcoming videos I will be showing you soft silk sarees and lightweight festival sarees and daytime functions. Comment me which one you want to see first, and thank you so much for watching the full video. Please like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel.